If you're looking to boost productivity and manage projects smarter in 2025, Asana Intelligence, Asana's AI suite, is one of the fastest ways to upgrade your workflow. Whether you're running teams, planning campaigns, or juggling daily tasks, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make the most of these AI features so you can work faster, stay organized, and cut out busy work. First things first, head to the Asana website and log into your account. Enter the email tied to your workspace and make sure it's the correct one before hitting continue. Once that's verified, drop in your password and click to log in. It seems basic, but starting with the right account prevents syncing issues later, especially when you're using AI-generated tasks or automations. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Create button, usually at the top or side menu. Click it and choose Project. This is where Asana Intelligence really shines. You'll be asked whether you want to build from a template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you repeat the same kind of workflow, while a blank project is perfect for something custom. Give your project a name that tells your team exactly what it's about without being too long. Clear naming helps Asana AI better understand context when generating tasks, updates, and suggestions. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the option to set up your project with Asana AI and turn it on, then click Generate Preview. This gives you a snapshot of how the AI will organize everything from initial structure to automated recommendations. Once you're satisfied, hit Create Project to lock it in. Now that your AI-enabled project is live, start exploring its capabilities. Asana Intelligence can suggest tasks and subtasks based on project goals, recommend forms to collect information, and even set rules to automate repetitive steps, like assigning teammates, setting due dates, or moving tasks between sections. One of the most underrated features is the Smart Chat function. Instead of writing updates from scratch, you can let Asana AI draft progress summaries, generate replies and comment threads, or write announcements for your team. You stay in control, you can approve or edit, but it cuts your writing time to seconds. As you build out your workflow, lean into the AI suggestions instead of doing everything manually. Whether you're planning sprints, events, client work, or personal goals, the system learns from the structure you create and becomes more accurate the more you use it. And that's the power of Asana Intelligence in 2025. It's not just a shiny add-on, it's a built-in assistant that helps you stay organized, communicate faster, and keep projects moving with less effort. If you start using these features now, you'll get a serious edge in how efficiently you work. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, keep exploring more ways to work smarter with AI. Happy organizing with Asana. Organizing.